Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we're going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV. The customer complained that the picture had several dark patches and a bright white spot on the screen. As you can see, the display brightness is uneven, making the picture quality very poor. This is a common symptom of a faulty LED backlight. When the LEDs become weak or burn out after long-term use, they fail to spread light evenly across the panel, resulting in dark shadows and white spotlight effects. In such cases, the only reliable and permanent solution is to replace the complete set of LED backlight strips. Now let's begin the repair. First, we'll remove the back cover of the TV. Here you can see the power supply board, mainboard, T-con connections, and all the internal wiring. Next, we'll carefully remove the front frame, lift the LCD panel, and take out the diffuser and reflector sheets to access the LED backlight assembly. This TV uses two bend-type LED backlight strips. On close inspection, you can clearly see that most of the LEDs have burned out, and several LEDs show black burn marks. This confirms that the backlight is the actual cause of the display problem. We've now replaced both old LED strips with a brand new set. After installing the new backlights, we'll carefully reassemble the diffuser sheets, LCD panel, and front frame. Finally, we'll reconnect the LVDS cable and all the motherboard connectors before powering on the TV. Now it's time for the final result. As you can see, the display is bright, clear, and perfectly uniform. The dark patches and white spotlight have completely disappeared, confirming that the backlight replacement has successfully restored the TV's picture quality. If you found this repair helpful, please support Electropixels by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may find it useful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next LED TV repair video.